Hi, want to know how to restore text messages on your Samsung Galaxy A14? So, as you can see, I have opened chat with my friend and I'll type any random message that I can even think of, and the message has been successfully sent. Now, every time when you are getting some important message that you don't want to lose, after you have sent it something or got something, after this, we would need to open settings, then find this tab which is named Accounts and Backup. Here on the Samsung Cloud tab, click Backup Data. Here, make sure that you have selected Messages and click Backup Now. After this, when you can see that all data has been backed up, we can delete the messages. So I'll select these two and click Delete like this and move to recycle bin. After this, I'll open the recycle bin and also clear the messages from here, so to make sure that they are all deleted. So delete all, delete, and now we won't be able to find any steps of these messages. But if we will go back to our settings, to the tab Accounts and Backup, and here click on this button Restore Data, here choose our phone and then select Messages, click Restore. After this, if we will open the messages, you can see that these two have appeared again. And this is how it works. I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.